Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Cherie's Alchemy Shop TV. Today I'm here to share with you that the Tula Pink 50th collection items have arrived. So I already put out a video where I shared a sneak peek of this collection because I got an early release fat quarter bundles to share. And so I won't go over every print because I've already shared that in that video. I will link to it in the iCards and the description box and at the end of this video in case you want to go back and have a closer look at all of the prints. Well, some of the prints that are included. So the fat quarter bundle for this 50th anniversary collection. The collection is called Full Moon Force 2. It includes prints that I have in yardage, but then some of the prints included in the fat quarter bundle, they were not a part of this official collection. They're a part of other collections that will come out separately. So like all these tonal whites and grays are separate. So anyway, you can look at that video if you want to see all the prints that are in the fat quarter bundle. And then I'm going to show you now the fabrics that came in as yardage and then some other items. So first up as yardage, we have this bunny print, which is called Hoppy Go Lucky. And we have it in the Blossom colorway and I think this is called Starlight. Yes, this turquoise and periwinkle color or aqua is called Starlight. So we have those two as yardage. Next up as yardage, we have the Hootie Patootie print. This colorway is Starlight. This colorway is Honey. So it has the same pinks as the Blossom from the bunny print. Really, really cute large scale owl print. Next up, we have yardage of this Darling Fish print. It's called Sophisticated. This colorway is called Blossom. This colorway is called Enchanted. Next up is this hidden squirrel print. You gotta really see how the squirrel is hidden in the print. Such a clever design. You see the outline? So this print is called Branch Manager. This colorway is Enchanted. This colorway is Blossom. The next print that includes yardage in this collection is called Family Tree. This is the Honey colorway, and you can see there's just all kinds of fun creatures on these branches, from cats to squirrels to raccoons. These are all the animals that she's used throughout her previous collections. All her collections have some kind of animal pretty much. And so I think this is really charming and I absolutely love the color combinations. And then here is Family Tree in the Enchanted colorway. Okay, and this last print that I have yardage of is probably my favorite in the collection. I love them all, but I love myself a bee print. This print is called Shake Your Honey Maker, which is just a hysterical name for fabric. And the colorways here again are the Blossom and Enchanted. And just, I mean, look at the details and the color combinations on this print. I can hardly wait to share some projects using all of these fabrics, but especially these bee prints with you all soon. Okay, I also have a few of the pre-cuts left. I showed you the fat quarter bundle pre-cuts. I have a couple of the jelly rolls, the 2.5 strip rolls left. We have some of the 5-inch charm packs left and some of the 10-inch charm packs or layer cakes left as pre-cuts. So these are the pre-cuts. Really cute. Another fun item in this collection is tote bags. Darling, it has the Family Tree print on one side, and then it has the 50th collection Full Moon Harvest 2 with the owl on the other side. I also picked up all the ribbons that go with this collection. So I have the designer ribbon packs. These include, I think, 1 yard pieces of the different ribbons in the coordinated colorways. So each pack is different. There are 4 different colorways. And then I got rolls of some of the prints. So I got the owl print, I got the sophisticated print, the bees, of course, and then the bunnies. And so if you have projects where you're incorporating ribbon, I have a couple of things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how I've used them. And so, yeah, they are just gorgeous. These are woven ribbons, not printed. They are woven. And then the final item that I got in is I got in several of the Moonlight Menagerie quilt kits. And so this is just a fun quilt incorporating all the fabrics are included along with the printed pattern directions. It's beautiful. So that's a real quick overview of all the things that I got in from Tula Pink's 50th fabric collection with Free Spirit Fabrics. And like I said, the Etsy shop should be back open if you are interested in purchasing anything from me. Check your local quilt shops. Get these prints. They're fun, they're gorgeous, and I will be sharing several projects with you all that I used this fabric to create later on in the summer. All right, take good care. Bye.